What's up? What's up? It's Mysterious Lloyd, the Alpha Male. Today, I'm talking about how some judges can be biased. We have seen it many times, whereby judges become biased because of the society. You find out people are queuing outside the courts, singing, chanting, talking about no bail, no what, and most of the times you find out the judge becomes biased. We have seen it recently in Omotoso trial, whereby the judge was trying to stop the defense panel from cross-examining Sherry Zond. But really, how can the witness not be cross-examined? Every witness must be cross-examined so that it can be established whether they are telling the truth or not. You see? So if the judge is found to be biased, I think it's in the best interest of justice, so that justice will be done for the judge to recuse himself from the case, so that another judge can step forward and proceed with the jurisdiction. How can you try to stop the defense from cross-examining a witness? So people are always talking about the rights of the witness. The witness have got the rights, but not the rights of not being cross-examined. Cross-examination is a process of the law, of the jurisdiction, of the courts, because the accused also have got rights of fair trial. Because nowadays we see a lot of people claiming that they have been raped many times. And when the defense asks them, why didn't you report the case all the while? For the first time you were raped, second time you were raped, third time you were raped. Why didn't you report the case? You still go to the same person so that you get raped. Why didn't you report? Then they say it's unfair. Because most of the society, people in the society, they don't know anything about the proceedings of the court. They don't know how the court must proceed with the case. They don't know. All they know is mob justice and the like. Most of them, they are not intellectuals. They don't know what happens in the courts. All what they want is just say the judge must just give the verdict without cross-examining, without the accused taking a stand. And most of these people who claim to have been raped, most of these bitches, these prostitutes, they know that they wanted sex. They had consented to sex. And most of those things that they will be saying, that they've been raped before they reached the consentment age is not true. So they try to evade some kind of cross-examination. That's why you see them crying crocodile tears, playing victim, whereas they are not victims. They are just immoral people, bitches. Like long back in the days, long back, when people used to follow the religions like Christianity, Islam, those people used to be stoned to death. You see? Because the man commits adultery with the woman. The woman commits adultery. The man commits adultery. But why does it have to be the man who is to be blamed for rape and for... That's narcissism. It's a narcissistic approach whereby nowadays men are always regarded as the aggressors and women are regarded as innocent victims. Mostly. Even that's why you see most people are scared to marry. Most people are scared to stay with women. Because of that. So I think we better go back to basics. How can a judge be influenced by the society when he is qualified? He studied the law. And how can that kind of judge refuse to recuse himself from the case? Why does a judge like that can turn off the appeal, can appeal against recusing himself from the case when it's clear that they are being biased? I don't know. Really, I don't know. I don't know. This thing is all this shit is funny to me. It's funny to me. When people, the society are crying for that, no, the defense must not cross-examine. They must not ask this and ask this. It baffles me. And the judge is being influenced by the people outside the court, by the noise outside the court, by the media. I'm baffled. It's like what I'm saying now. Myself, I'm not a law expert. What I'm saying should not influence the proceedings of the court. Those people, if those motherfuckers are qualified, like those judges, they have to know better. They have to know better. I've seen many cases whereby the courts are being influenced by the outside noise from the streets. They're influenced by the reporters from the newspapers. I don't know what to say about this. I really don't know what to say about this. And if nowadays, if you are to be accused of some kind of shit, if you don't have a good lawyer, you're gonna go down the drains. I'm telling you. You have to know your story. Even if you are innocent, you have to know your story. Because the society is gonna march or go outside the courts. You see? Just for example, let me give you a scenario here. You know the last elections in Zimbabwe, the 2018 elections, this year's elections in Zimbabwe, there were noises outside trying to influence the decisions of the ZEC, of the Electoral Commission, Zimbabwe Electoral Commission. Just imagine if they were to be influenced by those noises in the city. You see? They were going to reshuffle, to change the outcome of the elections because of the noises. No. It was not meant to be like that. The judges must be immune to the outside factors, outside noises of the people. Most of them who are not knowledgeable in jurisdiction matters. This has happened many times in history, when the outside noises affects the courts. It's late night. I think I have to recuse myself so that I could go and sleep. I'm not that dumb like those motherfucking judges who refuse to recuse themselves when it's clear that they are failing to adjudicate on some cases. Good night, guys. Sharp.